Welcome back, everyone. We have discussed up to 2000 the Constitution interim Constitution of 2063. Today we are going to study about the features of Constitution of Nepal in this. So the Constitution of Nepal. The Constitution of Nepal, found by the Second Constitutive Assembly, was promulgated on Ashoj uh, 3rd 2017. The features of the Constitution of Nepal given below. So the features of Nepal of the constitutions are given below. This is the Parliament House of the Nepal. It is in Kathmandu. So the first feature is the constitution found by the Second Constitutional Assembly has been officially promulgated by the President as Ashoj 3rd to 2072. The first constitution found by the Constitutional Assembly in the history of Nepal. The sovereignty and the state power are vested in the Nepali people. 31 fundamental rights has been provision in this constitution. Four duties have been determined for the every citizen. There is a provision that there will be the seven states in the Nepal, and that the main structure of Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal shall be of three levels, namely federations, the state and the local level. Provision of exercising the power of the state of Nepal by the federal, state and the local level by the pursuant of these constitution and law to these constitutions and law. Provision of the state divided among the federal, state and the so the power of a state has been divided in the federal, state and the local level. President is the head of the state. The executive power of the Nepal pursuant of this constitution and law vested in the Council of Ministers. The president and the vice president are to be elected from the different gender or the community. Provision of one federal parliament consisting of two houses to be known as House of Representatives and the National Assembly with 275 and 59 members respectively. One third of the total number of the members elected from each political party representing the federal parliament must be the woman. One woman out of the speaker and deputy speaker is to be elected. One woman out of the chairperson and the vice person to be elected. There is a provision of the motion of no confidence shall not be tabled until the first 2 years shall be appointed as the prime ministers, and until another 1 year after the date of the failure of the motion no confidence once tabled. No amendment must be made to the constitution in the manner to be prejudicial to the sovereignty, territorial integrity, independency of the Nepal and sovereignty vested in the people. The executive power of the state, pursuant of the constitution and state law, be vested in the State Council of the Minister. Provision of the chief of the state in each state appointed by the president as the representative of the government of Nepal. Provision of the state of the council and the council of ministers to be provision of the state of the council of ministers be constituted under the chairmanship of chief minister. So these are the few 20 features of Constitution 2072. So we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you. So we have we have more few remaining features. So we'll discuss that also. So the 21 is the legislature of the state being unicameral and called as the state assembly. 60% of the members were elected through the first past of post electoral system, and 40% members were elected through the proportional electoral system. The executive power of the local levels pursuant to the constitution and the federal level law be vested in the village executive or the municipal executive. 24. The provision of the district assembly to make a coordination between the village bodies and municipalities within the district. 25th. The provision of the Commission for the Investigation of Abuse of Authority, Auditor General, Public Service Commission, Election Commission, National a Human Rights Commission, Natural Resources and Physical Commission, National Women Commission, National Dalit Commission, National Inclusion Commission, Indigenous Nationalities Commission, Madesi Commission, Tharu Commission, and Muslim Commission have been given in the features in this constitution. All the languages spoken as the mother tongue in the Nepal be the language of the nation, and Nepali language is the Nepali language in the Devanagari script be the official language of Nepal. Referendum be done with respect to any matter of the national importance. So these are the 27 important features of this constitution. So thank you for listening to the lecture. So we'll meet in the next class where we'll discuss about the fundamental rights and duties stated in the constitution of Nepal. So thank you.